Hey guys, my name's Ed and I'm doing another video. If you've seen this intro before, then you know exactly what game I'm talking about. Command & Conquer Red Alert, with old Einstein killing Hitler. The reason why I'm doing this quick video is because today I got a Sony PlayStation 1 mouse and I'm finding it really enjoyable to use. It actually makes games like Red Alert on PlayStation 1 really playable. And quick apologies for all these candles. I'm recording at night time and I don't have a lot of light in my apartment. I need to go invest in some lights, I think, because if I'm going to be recording at night time, I can't do this all the time. It looks a bit strange. Anyway, going back to the mouse, I find it's really nice design, matches nicely, the color scheme obviously. The left mouse button's a little bit bigger. It's got some raised bumps on there, so tactile. You can feel the difference between the left mouse button and the right. It does have a ball, which obviously is what mice back in the mid-90s tended to have. So it does have some disadvantages. It can get dirty and can clog up, but as long as you keep it clean, I think that's okay. One thing I do like about this game, I don't know if all the other PlayStation games do this, but because it detects that I'm using a mouse, it actually has different indications on the screen of what to do next to get to the next stage. So if you have a look at that, so you can see there, it's telling me to push the mouse button. Obviously when you don't have a mouse plugged in, then it won't show that. The mouse has been such a revelation. It makes this game so much better. You can see there I'm using the mouse and moving the cursor around the screen, and it's so smooth. Just makes the accuracy of playing this game so much better. Let's just skip through, get into a mission, and I'll show you there. So here we go, we're just in the first Soviet mission. Just using the mouse to move around, just so much easier than using the gamepad, when you can select them with the left mouse button and then right click to get rid of it. I guess there probably were people who got used to the gamepad controls and were just as quick and accurate. I just found the mouse is just makes the game much closer to what I remember on the PC. Well, to be honest, that's it for this video. It's such a classic game. It's still really playable now. I'm just finding it really interesting to play it on PlayStation. It's still probably better on the PC, to be fair. But it's still so cool to play this with this mouse. I'm looking forward to trying out some of the other PlayStation 1 compatible games as well. I've got Die Hard Trilogy. I think the second game in that is compatible with the mouse, so I'll probably give that a go and I'll do another quick video on that later. But for now, I'm just going to spend a bit of time smashing the Allies with the Soviets. So thanks for watching. Definitely recommend getting one of these mice if you find one. Pick it up for sure. Alright, see you later. Bye.